So friend, this is my computer hardware series video, and this is a computer related everything computer hardware courses related. This my playlist. Okay. So last my previous I'm already create computer hardware basic knowledge and computer of system. Okay. And last previous video I'm already created a computer history and the computer full name of different as what happened and using types of computer, mini computer, supercomputer, and mainframe computer, embedded computer. What is the hardware? What is the hardware? I'm already created last my previous video. Okay, and last previous video I'm already told you Microsoft. What is the Red Hat? What is the paper? And why create a software? What is the software? So today I understand system software and application software. What difference between system software to application software? So let's start and understand this video. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online Nettech discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on so and this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system. You can control using this is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64 bit? What is a 32 bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So what is a system software? So system software are mainly designed for managing system resources. So this is one type of creator for managing system, and this reason create a man of system software, man of computer, and a very important system. Any or just like Android mobile, just like your Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. It is a one type of system software. Man computer software means very important of your part. Every system controlled by your system software. So understand about these. You can see just here. This is my mouse. So mouse control how this possibility, because all of a part controlled by my hand, mouse, left side going, right side going. So this is one type of, you can see just here, mouse point. So it is a one type of system software show me mouse point. Okay, so understand application software. Application software are designed to accomplish tasks for specific purpose. So in sentence completely give off meaning. So application software is one type of special purpose create for designing systems or application software. And just like I'm just showing you one type of WhatsApp you are using. So WhatsApp is one type of special purpose only communication, social networking, and sharing file and messaging. So this reason special purpose it is a one type of application software. Facebook, Yahoo, Twitter, this is social uh, applications, and your communication, your public and your friends and relative. So it is one type of application software create only for special purpose designing, just like video editing software, video editing, it is this application software. But system software, what is a system software? Android device, just like I'm just give example, Android device. Device, so you are first purchase and company through, so company main system software installed in your mobile, and completely you are showing features anything you like, and you purchase after you know you customize, you select the application, just like your video editing software, your YouTube, hike, Paytm and PayPal, and Google Chrome, other extra application. It is a one type of special purpose created for these reasons. So it is a one type of application software. Second point, understand system software. Programming of system software is complex. This is a very important for point, and very important of this. What is why this complex? Because system software not simple of your system software, because every feature, every technology, every data how moving and communication traveling, every site driver programming and a lot of it, and this reason is a complex, because this is a main of system. And just I'm give example, just your YouTube, you can see just here, YouTube open and directly every channel you can watch video. But how it's possible YouTube showing you? Because YouTube connect your main system software, and system software directly not send your data. It is sent by computer device driver and hardware. So driver one type of software programming system. I will discuss in one by one what is a driver and how many type of driver available in your system. And again give a second example, your Windows, any operating system, any just like I'm give you Windows 10. So you are purchased new laptop, desktop, and you are installed Windows 10 operating system. Okay, Microsoft Windows 10, and you are start your computer, your laptop, and you are labs. You open a file folder, create file, but you want Microsoft Word type work, and Dynamics Excel type work, and create list and resume type description type system. So this reason is one type of a created system, programming system. So application software, what is a programming programming of application software is a completely easy. Why completely easy? Because programming language, you want to first understand the programming languages. How many type programming languages I'm give a different device, C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby, HTML, CSS, C++, and a lot of PHP, Java, a lot of available programming software codes in any side. You can see you want to make good perform to systems, computer software engineer. So two type engineer, computer hardware engineer, computer software engineer. Computer hardware engineer in hardware created the hardware system, and software engineer is create software programming languages. So one person may be complete course hardware and software. So software creator by software engineer and hardware creator hardware engineer. A computer cannot run without system software. Very important for point, because every computer run hardware with second important is software. Okay, so just like I'm give example one type of in my computer. So I'm using Windows 10. Okay, and in Windows 10 I'm start power on my computer and start Windows 10 and start my some software just like video recording and computer record my these every uh, these general project. So it is a one type of computer very all of my activity, all of my tasks work on computer software, because this is a main system software. Okay, so who is a creator? So created by computer engineer, computer network engineer, and computer software engineer. So computer hardware engineer, what is a creator? Computer network engineer, what is a creator? Software engineer. We are understand two only. Computer hardware engineer create a hardware, and computer software engineer create software. I will discuss a computer network engineer, what is a computer network working. So I will discuss one by one in network series. Okay, but I understand best, we are understand only computer software main system software. Okay, so every computer work with main system software, because every computer devices, every computer just like mic, speaker, your mouse, your keyboard, your motherboard, your CPU, your RAM, your hard disk, your program data, and every computer main system software. Okay, so it is a main of part of your just like as uh, your brain type of system. So this is a every any devices like Android mobile have Android operating system, Android software. Android software, you cannot start your Android applications because this is very important. A computer can easily run without application software. Okay, so computer you can start without application software. Why? Because application you are install or not install. Okay, not different, not need for not necessary for application software. You are already installed, you are use system software. So without application software you start, but main software you cannot your computer start. Fourth point is you can see just here, this is system software do not depend on application software. This is very important, because system software is a very important and a very main of part of your system software. This is a main machine and main device is a system software. And for the right side you can see just application software depend on a system software and cannot run without system software. Okay, so application software depend on system. Okay, application software depend on system software. Okay, and cannot run without a system software. So application need system software. How it was possible? So you I'm just give for example, you are install Windows 10 operating system in your computer. I will discuss some video how install your how your operating system in your computer. I will discuss next some video, but we are understand only without system software. Why application system not start? Because system software is main function, every part of controlled by your system software, and application depend on system software. System software without application not start. Just example give your mobile Android device power on and showing your company logo and start your application, start your operating system Android, and you are going to playlist and application find and give any name, just like I'm give Facebook app, and you are install uh, Facebook application. So it is a one type of your you are using a main system software. Okay, so this reason main of application software depend only system software. Okay, so I hope you understand this my video, and you maybe not understand, so again watch my video. Okay, and any problem, any questions, you can comment me. So click on like button, click on subscribe just subscribe this my channel, and click on click on bell icon. Okay, for new notification, either not send a new notification by YouTube channel. So thanks for watching my video, have a nice day. Next time I will continue this topic on my computer hardware channel. Okay, basic computer parts. Okay, so what is the basic computer parts, and basic computer part of every computer side, every any computer basic computer parts I will discuss next time. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, have a nice day. I will discuss one by one. Okay, so every my video part wise here. Okay, and without part wise you can not start my video. Okay, so watch my previous video, every video, and one by one. So this is my computer hardware playlist course, very completely and deeply I will show you one by one. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, have a nice day. Next time continue these basic computer parts. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, have a nice day.